The HVAC cycle begins as fresh air is drawn in through the intake by the blower motor. It moves through the
Fresh air is drawn in through the intake. It first passes through the cabin air filter, where
The fresh air intake allows outside air to enter the HVAC system. Watch as Blue Air CC
HVAC system. HVAC controls cabin temperature and air quality through heating, cooling, and ventilation.
Redirect airflow to defrost vents. Show warm air moving upward toward windshield. Indicate defogging and defrosting action. The blend doors adjust, redirecting the airflow exclusively to the floor vents. The warm air flows downward. Temperature. Evaporator core, the heart of your car's cooling. Blue refrigerant flows through, absorbing heat. Air passing through the core cools